Hey everyone! I'm Aurora Scharff. I'm a React expert, Microsoft MVP in web development, and a React consultant currently working at Current Consulting. I have been working with React for over 4 years, and I've had the pleasure of collaborating with certificates.dev to help build the React certification. I'm really excited to share more about what you can expect, what you will be tested on, and share some personal tips to help you succeed. So, what can you expect with the React certification? It will be available in 3 levels: junior, mid-level, and senior. Each level comes with a free preparation guide that outlines the curriculum and everything you will be tested on. This prep guide is available via the user dashboard on certificates.dev. If you're not yet registered, just head to certificates.dev/react to register and get access. The junior level covers these concepts: 4 JavaScript concepts that are essential to React development, 4 React concepts, including how React initializes applications with create root and how React elements are created and structured, JSX, including rendering lists and conditional rendering, components, event handling, state management with useState, hooks with useEffect and useRef, and React Router. The mid-level covers everything in the junior, plus tooling, including React DevTools and Vite, intermediate components, intermediate state, including context, intermediate hooks, including custom hooks, and finally, TypeScript. And each level is designed to challenge you with real-world scenarios you'll face as a React developer. It's a great way to benchmark your current skills, identify areas for improvement, and gain clarity on what to focus on next. If you're not sure about being fully prepared to take the exams, don't worry. For those looking for extra preparation, we also offer self-study training material options. The self-study materials include quizzes and hands-on coding exercises, so you can see where you stand and evaluate what you need to work on before taking the exam, chapter by chapter. The idea is that you can study at your own pace, test your skills as you go, and ensure you're fully prepared to pass the exam with confidence. And if you're someone who prefers a more interactive approach, we also offer bootcamps. These include multiple React workshops hosted by me, and each bootcamp session runs for around 5 to 6 hours, and you'll have the chance to ask questions as we dive deep into the topics. Now, here are a few tips I suggest you follow to help you get the most out of your prep, properly validate your skills, and set yourself up for success on exam day. Number 1, start with a preparation guide. It's free and gives you a clear picture of what's coming. Number 2, if you've got the self-study materials, use them. Do the challenges and quizzes at your own pace. Number 3, apply what you learn in personal projects. Real-world practice makes a huge difference. And number 4, don't rush. Take your time to really understand the concepts. Now, if you're still wondering, why should I get certified in React? Well, certifications aren't just about getting some digital badge. It's a recognition of your skills, your dedication to continuous learning, and all the time you've invested in becoming a React developer. It can open doors to new roles, help you stand out when applying for jobs, and give you that extra boost of confidence to take on more advanced work and lead projects with clarity. Plus, certificates.dev is one of the most trusted platforms for developer certifications. They have already helped devs from around the world who work at companies like Salesforce, KLM, Google Gemini, Samsung, Coca-Cola, and Deloitte, and more to get certified and become better developers. So if you haven't already, head to certificates.dev/react and sign up. The certification officially launches on June 24th and will be offering a special early bird offer on launch day, so make sure you're on the list to get notified. Happy coding and best of luck with your React certification journey.